He was right.
I don't think that's nice.
Y'all rude.
That is so distasteful.
Distasteful. What's it taste like, Josh?
Lube.
Lube.
Because he's gay.
You're a radar station. Yeah, dog. Excellent. Don't talk to your mom like that.
That's mean.
Miss Bliss is gonna beat my ass. I'm walking up there. What the fuck you call me? What?
I would laugh so hard.
I would
You
cry.
don't understand. I would die.
Let's be quick about it.
I hope while I can. I got very little energy to run.
I hear
Yeah, dude, man, I don't feel good today. I don't know what it is.
I'm gonna go to this left-hand side facing.
I don't know. I'm just not with it, I guess.
Long weekend.
Man, I
Football Friday night.
I start
Football
class.
Saturday.
I start classes tomorrow. I'm scared.
Ready?
Oh yeah, we're ready. Yeah, ready.
You'll be cool. You'll be alright.
Shit. Hope so.
Good to rock and roll.
I gotta get gone first.
I'm gone.
Safety. Humma dabba dabba. Pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew. Pew pew pew. Pew. Is it working now?
Damn it!
Guess not.
Shut the fuck up, Tony.
Pew pew.
My gun has the most important pop up ever.
Your gun has the brake,
My gun has the dumb.
the dumb.
The dumb.
My hop up is being dumb too, dude.
Great, now you're gonna get all this on camera. We're having hop up.
We're the worst. Left-handed probs. We gotta move up. We can't stay here.
You ready?
Where we going?
Yeah, okay. Got it?
He's hit. Josh. Josh. Come here. Here's what we're gonna do. Yep. Go that way. Oh, pew pew! Oh, pew! Pew! My mag's not. Oh, it's empty. What the fuck?
This is a terrible piece of cover.
Yeah, it is.
Ah, hit. Hit.
Alex knows we're here. Whose idea was this? This was a terrible idea. What? We gotta grow some balls, dude.
One problem.
What? Shit, you gotta wind it.
I've been wanting.
That mag's dumb. Take it out here.
Both of my freaking mags.
Here, try that. Just give it back. Like this. Hey. Whose idea was this? Oh shit.
Actually, it was mine.
Oh, okay. They see us. They know we're here.
Oh, there's a lot. Oh, there's another one. Hey, can you do something?
Hit. Coming out. Hit. I got you. Don't worry.
Really? Really?
Baby man, my pole star. Coming for you, Brett. Eddie, why am I so out of shape? What? What? What's that?
Shot me in the dick. One's over there.
Fucking Alex. Fuck. Hit. One more, guys. One more. Person.
He's way over here.
Oh. Thunder? Dude, I'm on my last mag. I'm on my last mag. Yeah. One of mine was empty for some fucking reason. And then Josh needed one, so I gave him one. Yeah. Yes. Seven. Oh, we are terrible. That's the second time you hit the strap on my plate.